Hello, in this video we'll show you how to download and install a newer version of the Spectrometer firmware. Download the correct version of the Spectrometer firmware and copy and paste it to the root drive of a USB. One is provided for you in the accessory kit. Press on the Options menu to access the data transfer options. Select the Import Software tab. Select the version listed on the USB and press OK to confirm. Wait for the software to import and follow the screen prompts to remove the USB and insert the program cable. Insert the USB end of the RS-232 cable to the left side USB port. Then on the grey long ribbon cable, place the 10-pin black program connector into the spectrometer program port. Make sure the red wire is facing the fuse for connector orientation. Once the program cable is installed, select the Setup menu and click on the Communications window. Select and change the COM port number to the highest listed port. Make sure the Use USB Converter option is ticked and press OK to confirm. Now select the File menu and press on the Load Flash Image option. This will allow you to select the software version downloaded in the previous steps. Search and explore the C drive WGA software folder and select the Spectrometer firmware version to install. Wait for the blue progress bar to run from the left to the right and complete. Once completed, remove the program cable and restart the CropScan to reboot the system. Once the CropScan analysis software is loaded, wait for the display to connect to the spectrometer controller, indicated by the blue process bar. You will also note the display version and spectrometer version will be displayed in the Daily Checks window. Thank you for joining us, and find more CropScan tutorial videos at our website www.cropscanag.com.